The only path by which another person can upset you is through your own thought. All of us have our own inner fears, beliefs, opinions. These inner assumptions rule and govern our lives. A suggestion has no power in and of itself. Its power arises from the fact that you accept it mentally. Never finish a negative statement. Reverse it immediately, and wonders will happen in your life. You can develop the right mental attitude when you realize that nothing external can upset you or hurt you without your mental consent. Men gifted with intuition and imagination find water in the desert, and they create cities where formerly other men only saw a desert and a wilderness. Decree now, and say it meaningly. From this moment forward, I will admit to my mind for mental consumption only those ideas and thoughts that heal, bless, inspire, and strengthen. The subconscious mind takes your fears as a request, proceeds to manifest them, and brings them into your experience. Busy your mind with the concepts of harmony, health, peace, and goodwill, and wonders will happen in your life. Never use the terms, "I can't afford it," or "I can't do this." Your subconscious mind takes you at your word and sees to it that you do not have the money or the ability to do what you want to do. Affirm, "I can do all things through the power of my subconscious mind."